Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to freeze a column in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so if you want to freeze one column or multiple columns, here's how to do it. Alright, so we have this project management sheet example sheet with this project management table, and let's say we want to always see the column A, which is this project management task column, whenever we scroll our page to the right. We want this column to be always visible. Then what we have to do is freeze this column. And the easiest way to do it is to click on View here, and select Freeze from the options, and then select, in this case, one column. So as you can see, the grid line has been made more wider. So this shows that this column A has been frozen. And if we scroll to the right, as you can see, this column A, this task column, is frozen. If you want to unfreeze it, we can just click on View here and select Freeze and select No Columns. Of course, you can select a random column like this one, and you can also right click on the column and select View More Column Actions, and you're gonna see Freeze up to column E. Or once again, select the column, click on View, select Freeze, and select up to column E. And in this case, as you can see, up to column E, the columns are frozen. So now this is how you can freeze a column or multiple columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.